In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Fiverr. If you shop or hire across countries, seeing prices in your own currency makes comparing options much easier. Let's walk through the quick process from a fresh browser so you can follow along step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This keeps things straightforward in case you don't have Fiverr bookmarked. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. In the results, click the official Fiverr website. You'll know you're in the right place when you land on the familiar Fiverr homepage with the search bar and categories across the top. Once you're on Fiverr, move your eyes to the top right corner of the page. Click your profile icon there. Depending on your device or screen size, this could look like a small avatar or your initial. Opening this area simply helps you focus on the top controls that relate to your account and display preferences. Now, look for the currency indicator that shows your current setting, usually something like USD with a dollar symbol. It's typically displayed right near the top right controls, and you might see options for other currencies there as well. Go ahead and click that currency label. A list of available currencies will appear. This list includes major currencies such as USD, EUR, GBP, and more, depending on what Fiverr currently supports. Select the currency you prefer to use. Once you click, Fiverr will apply the change immediately, and prices across the site will refresh to show in your chosen currency. You won't need to dig into deeper settings or reload anything manually. It should just update wherever prices are shown. A few helpful notes as you finish up. This change affects how prices are displayed to you across Fiverr's listings, search results, and checkout pages. It doesn't alter the underlying price set by sellers. Instead, Fiverr converts and rounds amounts using their latest exchange rates. Because exchange rates fluctuate and rounding can vary, you might notice small differences over time. Also, payment processors and banks can apply their own conversion or service fees when you actually pay, which is separate from Fiverr's display currency. If you don't immediately see the currency selector, try maximizing your browser window or closing any zoomed overlays. It's usually in the header area near your account options. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the currency on Fiverr, making it easier to plan your budget and compare offers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in the currency that makes the most sense for you.